In primetime news this evening, fear and anguish in White Wing St. Andrew. Gangsters kill 4 residents despite a state of emergency in the area. Prime Minister announces plans to relax some state of emergency restrictions come Christmas. And condemnation from stakeholders over abuse case involving police in Denham Town, West Kingston.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Well, it's a Wednesday, the day when we monitor petrol prices, and guess what? They're all going up tomorrow. I'll tell you by how much in the business day.
Okay, thank you, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Jeremy at the Sports Desk to give us a look at what's coming up. Jeremy?
I'll tell you what, Herman, the Reggae Boys, well, it was like ABC for them against Aruba. They put 6 past them. We'll have the details when they come back.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
The question this evening, what do you think should be done to deal with patients who are abandoned at public hospitals?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.